pasta dish. Pasta with peas. The recipe's down in the description box for your convenience, along with miscellaneous cooking items. So let's go put it together. Okay, we have a pasta pot. We're going to bring some water up to a boil. Then we're going to pour in 1 pound of elbow macaroni. We're just going to cook this fully to the directions on the box. Okay, while your pasta is cooking, we're going to use 1 jar of pasta sauce. Marinara, that's what this is. You can use your favorite sauce if you got homemade, but 1 jar worth is what you need. Now we're going to add 2 cans of peas. And we'll give this a stir. We'll put this over medium heat. And let this all come up to temperature, and we'll take it off. Okay, our pasta is done now. I strained it already. We heated up our sauce and peas, and now we're going to dump that in there. Mix it up. And just look at that. Very easy and simple. Pasta and peas. Okay, let's try it out. You can throw some cheese on here. Yeah. Pasta and peas. Very simple, hearty meal. Quick and easy to put together. It's simple and it's tasty. Until next time, this is Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.